Hi everyone, Rainey here with my dream boat project. And a big part of my dream, once I get my boat built, is to spend time on it, to live on it, to travel the Great Loop and all places beyond to explore this country and others. And it's very important to be able to have the money to do it, to have income. So I'd like to introduce you to my brand new book, Income Ahoy. It has over 300 methods of making money on board. So whether it's online, in person, in port, if you want to live on a boat, if you want to live in the marina, if you are retired, ex-military, there's something in here for everyone. And I'm giving it away free as a way of introducing myself and introducing you to my dream boat project. So to get yours free, go ahead to the link below this video and download it right away. And if you would, I'd really appreciate if you'd subscribe to my channel and say ahoy. So with that, get your manual, start making an income on board, and begin living your dream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you out there. Bye-bye.